It is technically not too late for me to wish you a happy Rakhi Purnima, to send my best wishes for Rakhi Purnima all over the globe to India, UK, and Texas. Dalabhai, welcome home. I'm glad you're back safely, and you should come visit California. Ranga Dada, hey, you should also come visit California. I will send you more photos of Shipramashi and Gautam Misho from when they came for Bongo Shamalun. Shubho Dada and Ritu, I can't wait to see you in a couple of weeks, and thank you for setting up the YouTube account. As you can see, I've had a lot of fun with it. Dhruvo, I talk to you almost every other day, so good luck with your thesis. And Joy, you have dropped off the radar. Send me an email. I feel neglected. আমার সব দাদা আর ভাইদেরকে অনেক ভালোবাসা পাঠালাম, আর তোমরা সবাই ভালো থেকো, এন্ড সামনের বছরের জন্য শুভ ইচ্ছে রইল।